Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. Today, we're going to explore a topic that is rapidly reshaping our world, and perhaps more personally, how we engage with new languages, artificial intelligence. It's a subject often discussed with a mix of wonder and apprehension, but here, we'll approach it with our usual calm and analytical perspective. For centuries, language learning has been a deeply human endeavor, relying on immersion, repetition, and interaction. Think of the traditional classroom, the language exchange partner, or the painstaking hours spent with textbooks. These methods have proven effective, yet they often come with inherent limitations, access, cost, and the sheer time commitment required to achieve fluency. Now, however, AI is introducing new dimensions to this journey. Let's explore this idea together. How exactly is AI changing the way we learn languages? The most immediate impact is perhaps in personalization. Traditional learning often follows a one-size-fits-all curriculum, but AI-powered platforms can now adapt to your individual pace, your specific strengths, and your areas needing improvement. Imagine an algorithm that identifies precisely which grammatical structures you struggle with or which vocabulary words you consistently forget, and then tailors exercises specifically for you. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating a learning path that feels uniquely yours, fostering a deeper, more intentional engagement with the language. Beyond personalization, AI offers unprecedented opportunities for immersive practice. Consider pronunciation. Many language learners find it challenging to refine their accent without constant feedback from a native speaker. AI-driven speech recognition tools can now provide instant, precise analysis of your pronunciation, highlighting subtle nuances that even a human ear might miss. This immediate feedback loop accelerates the learning process, allowing for rapid correction and improvement. Similarly, AI chatbots can simulate conversations, offering a safe, judgment-free space to practice speaking and listening, building confidence before engaging in real-world interactions. Here's something you might not have considered. AI's role in bridging cultural understanding. Language is not merely a collection of words, it's a gateway to culture. AI tools are increasingly capable of analyzing vast amounts of text and audio data, identifying cultural contexts, idiomatic expressions, and even subtle social cues. While no technology can fully replace genuine human interaction, these tools can prepare learners for the cultural intricacies embedded within a language, making their immersion more meaningful and less daunting. Of course, with any powerful tool, there are considerations. Some might ask, will AI make human teachers obsolete, or will it diminish the human element of language learning? My perspective, and one supported by recent discussions among educators and linguists, is that AI serves as a powerful assistant, not a replacement. It automates the repetitive, data-heavy tasks, freeing up human instructors to focus on higher-level coaching, cultural insights, and the empathetic guidance that only a human can provide. The goal isn't to replace human connection, but to enhance it, making language education more accessible and effective for everyone. What if we looked at this from another angle? AI is not just about consuming information, it's about interacting with it. The future of language learning, as shaped by AI, promises to be more dynamic, more responsive, and more deeply integrated into our daily lives. From real-time translation devices that facilitate immediate communication to sophisticated language models that can generate content in a target language, the possibilities are remarkable. This evolution allows us to move beyond simply understanding words to reasoning with clarity and expressing ourselves with greater freedom in a new language. Ultimately, AI reinforces a core belief of SlowTalk English, that learning a language is a tool for mental and intellectual freedom. It's about expanding our capacity to think, to connect, and to understand the world from diverse perspectives. AI, when used intentionally, can accelerate this journey, making the path to fluency more efficient and more engaging. It's not about shortcuts, but about smarter, more purposeful learning. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of SlowTalk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing,